Hey party people of the past! ChronoChronicles is back with another blast from the past, and today, we're grooving to the beats of September 11th. From daring escapes to epic battles, we've got it all. So, put on your dancing shoes and let's boogie through history. 1851 was a year of resistance and resilience. In Christiana, Pennsylvania, escaped slaves led by the brave William Parker stood their ground, fighting off a slave owner and his posse. The Christiana resistance became a rallying cry for both slavery proponents and abolitionists. Now, let's rewind to 1649. The siege of Drogheda came to a dramatic end with Oliver Cromwell's parliamentarian troops capturing the town and executing its defenders. Talk about a party crasher. In 1792, some sneaky thieves had their eyes on the prize. The Hope Diamond, along with other French crown jewels, was stolen in a daring heist. Bling bling, gone. The 7 Years' War saw some intense action in 1758. At the Battle of St. Cast, France showed its might, repelling a British invasion. Fast forward to 1914, during World War I. Australia made its mark by invading German New Guinea and emerging victorious at the Battle of Bidapaka. World War II, 1943, saw German troops occupying Corsica and Kosovo-Metohija, ending the Italian reign. 1967 was a year of conflict between two Asian giants. China's People's Liberation Army, PLA, launched an attack on Indian posts at Nathu La, leading to military clashes. Tragedy struck in 1974 and Eastern Airlines Flight 212 crashed in Charlotte, North Carolina, taking 69 passengers and 2 crew members with it. 2007 was explosive, quite literally. Russia tested the largest conventional weapon ever, aptly named the father of all bombs. And in 2012, Pakistan faced a dark day when over 300 people lost their lives in 2 devastating garment factory fires. Famous births. In 1997, the tennis world welcomed Harmony Tan, a rising French star. 1970 saw the birth of Antonio Gomez Medina, a Mexican wrestler who's been pinning down his opponents ever since. Nature lovers, rejoice. 1522 marked the birth of Ulysses Aldrovandi, an Italian ornithologist and botanist. In 1862, the world was introduced to Holly Harvey Crippen, an American physician with a dark side. And in 1939, Charles Geschke, the co-founder of Adobe Systems, was born, changing the digital world forever. Notable deaths. 1279 saw the passing of Robert Kilwardby, an English cardinal with a legacy that lasted centuries. In 1971, the world bid farewell to Nikita Khrushchev, a Russian general and politician. 1998 marked the end of the road for Dane Clark, a talented American actor. 2011 saw the tragic passing of Andy Whitfield, a Welsh actor and model. And in 2022, we lost John W. O'Malley, an American academic, Catholic historian, and Jesuit priest. Hey history lovers! Want to make your own epic videos that'll have everyone dancing through the decades? Use AI as your DJ. Use my promo code Christian23 on Pictory.ai and get 20% off all plans for life. Let's make history together. And that's the end of our historical party for today. If you had a blast with ChronoChronicles, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Can't wait to dance through time with you again. Drop your favorite historical beat in the comments.